It is possible that you could have caused physical damage to your system, an ailment, because of your patterns of thinking, very much possible, because you're a psychosoma. Whatever happens in the mind invariably happens in the body. But once the damage is manifested in the body, physically, trying to think it away could be just wishful thinking. I'm not saying it's not at all possible, but after all, you have only one life, you don't want to take such a risk. Yes, you would like to assist it with your thought process also, but no, I will just sit down and think it away. You may think yourself away, you know So don't try such things. Disease or no disease, ailment or no ailment, you have no business to make a mess out of your mind. You have no business to torture this being. Whether you get ailment or you don't get an ailment is the next thing, but you have simply no business to torture this being. Because this is, in a way, it's a helpless being. Even if you're a child, you can still have some defense. Even as a 5-6-year-old kid has some defense, isn't it? This one, no defense. Whatever nonsense you do to this one, it has to just go through it, no escape. The cruelest form of torture, the cruelest thing that you can do is self-torture, because a totally helpless being, everybody else, however helpless they are, they have some defense, isn't it? Keeping your mind life-friendly is definitely your business. Your mind should be friendly to this life, isn't it so? Should work for this life. After all, your mind is your employee. Why have you made him your enemy? If you do not know how to handle the people who work for you, they will turn into your enemies. Don't have any misunderstanding about this, don't have any doubt about this. It happens, isn't it so? If you don't handle your own children properly, they will turn into your enemies. No? You have any doubt? No, not my son, he won't do that. Don't have any doubt, he'll do that. If you don't handle him right, he will turn into your enemy, yes or no? That's the way life is. Now, why is it your mind, such a powerful, beautiful, miraculous thing, has turned into your enemy? This is something we have to look at. Whether you have an ailment or you're on the way, whichever way, it's time you look at it, isn't it so? You shouldn't let any time pass, because thinking diseases in and thinking diseases out is not fun, it'll cost life. Once you have an ailment, it becomes a full-time engagement. You won't have any other luxury of sitting and listening to spiritual discourse like this. It'll take away everything. You'll be sitting in a hospital queue. It's not fun. It's not fun. Till you get there, you don't realize how bad it is. I want you, everybody, however healthy you are, once a month, take a tour of a major hospital in your town. You must, really, you must go and see. Not for some perverse pleasure, but you must see what can happen to human beings. If you do everything right, still there are a million problems, isn't it so? The nature of life is such, even if you drink milk, you could get poisoned. But if you're talking about drinking poison and living well, all the best. If you eat good food, it can turn into poison in your stomach, it's possible. Eat the best things, it can turn into poison. You want to eat poison and live well? I can only wish you luck, because there's no other way for such a person. You're churning up poison and hoping to live well, you need a lot of luck. We have to arrange the whole tapestry of stars into a line, straight line for you, all the stars in line for you. Otherwise life will not work for you, it'll get you.